Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Sound Detective for accessibility on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's very easy. We go to settings, then we go to accessibility, then we go to hearing enhancements, and then we scroll to sound notifications and we open sound notifications. Now we turn it on. As you can see, what sound types are they listening to? They are listening to smoke and fire alarms, sirens, baby sounds, dog barking, knocking, doorbell ringing, appliance beeping, landline phone ringing, water running. When they hear something from this list, it will give you a notification and the flashlight will be flashing. Let me show you on demo. Continue. As you can see, it's listening. Here it hears notification, and here you saw the flashlight, I think. Let me turn it on again. Try it just so you see. Oh yes, you can see the flashlight. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.